Hello, portraits and illustration. Here we are. um, so, couple of things. The big issue here, and I kind of talked about all of this in that announcement, but I just wanted to get on here and actually kind of dive into everything and really explain everything to you about what's going on. So, with us being remote now, the problem is that the students who have been remote have a project that they're working on, which is due on Wednesday, next Wednesday, or this Wednesday, depending on when you're watching this. And the people who were in person were working on their portrait paintings. So the game plan was that before you guys left school, we were going to get you everything you needed in order to continue those portrait paintings. However, due to unforeseen circumstances, we ended school a little earlier than we thought. So I definitely want you guys who are working on those portraits to be able to finish them if you want, because I know a lot of you guys were very close. A lot of you only had like a couple more colors to put down. I want you guys to be able to do that because I know you guys put a lot of time and effort into those. What we're gonna do is in January, I will be back in the building while you guys are remote. So there will be times, and we'll have to set up a time, but there's definitely going to be the opportunity for you guys to come up and get everything you need to finish those. So what's going to happen here, I'm kind of getting ahead of myself, is in January, we're all going to be doing live synchronous learning, meaning that we're all going to be on the computer and, it's going to be like a big Zoom meeting kind of, that we're not using Zoom. Um, so we'll all be together and we'll be doing projects and assignments on there. However, like I said, those of you guys who have put so much time and effort into these paintings, I would like you guys to be able to finish them. So there will be some instances, some of you guys will probably opt out of doing what we're doing on the meetings or on the live synchronous learning, and you guys will then just continue working on your portrait paintings that you were working on, and that's fine. But you guys will need the supplies to do that. So um, in January, when we're having those meetings, you can just let me know, hey, I want to finish this painting, and then we'll make a time for you guys to come up. I'll probably have to mix a couple of more colors for some of you guys. So we'll have to figure that all out and get all that stuff together. And that's fine. And we can do that. So do not worry if you didn't finish your painting. You will have um, time to finish it. And I'll make sure that you get all of the colors and supplies and everything you need in order to finish it. So I just wanted to let you know that. Um, Otherwise, when we come back in January, we'll be doing like the live synchronous stuff, and we'll be working on other projects. So I'm gonna kind of leave it up to you. I mean, everyone who has been remote to this point, sorry, you don't really have an option. You're just gonna be in the live synchronous classes. Um, those of you guys who have paintings to finish, if you want to finish those, then you'll have the option to be doing the project that we're doing, or if you want to finish your painting. And again, we'll work out all the specifics. Um, so that's pretty much where we're at. Um, and I don't know, that might be it. So those of you guys who have been remote, finish the latest assignment, and it's due on Wednesday. Make sure you get that into me. Those of you guys who were in person, you know, just kind of sit tight now until January. So you get Christmas break a little bit early, which isn't a bad thing. If you were, just really prepared and you took everything home with you, uh, last time I saw you, you can just keep working. That's fine. But I don't think many of us had the foresight that we would be, you know, going home and not returning. So it is what it is, and we'll figure it all out. It's not a big deal. But I just wanted to let you guys know who had worked on those paintings that, don't worry. I know you'd put so much time and effort into them that we'll definitely get them done. Okay, and I'll make sure that you have everything you need in order to finish them. So I think that's it. I just talked for like 5 minutes. If you have questions that you need to ask prior to when I see you guys in the live synchronous stuff, you can always reach out. You can always email me. My contact info is in the help section on the home page. So you can always just hit that help button, and then that has like my email and everything on it. So you can always reach out that way. Um, but I don't know. I think that's it. So like I said, if you have questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Otherwise, I will be seeing all of you guys on the computer in January for live synchronous learning. All right, that's all I have for you. Remote kids, get those projects turned into me prior to Wednesday, and everyone have a fantastic Christmas break. Thanks, guys. Bye bye.